forget to turn it on, then I always forget to turn it off.
He's on the tree right there in front of us. Yeah, they got range. Who's in the bunker? Who's in the bunker? Oh, they're moving around with that boss back there. Hey, what the hell?
Whoa, what's up? They haven't friggin'... They're hit. I don't think that the boss guy is... Freaking homemade riot shield bullets. Are you hit? Fuck!
No! No! Really confident though.
Damn it.
I've been moving the bunker!
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm so close to hitting them. I'm so close, it's like literally dropping a few feet in front of them.
Up here on the right, he's hit toward tree line.
Do we have, is our guys, are our men dead over here?
They're all over here. I'm gonna run over there and pick you guys up.
Yeah, start tagging people back in because we got a medic here now, so.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Alright.
You gonna drag them back?
You could run it. Here, you want me to cover you?
Yeah.
Where are they hitting you from? Where are they hitting you from?
Covering fire on 3, right?
Okay. They're gonna be, the biggest thing is gonna be that riot shield.
Watch out.
And there.
Get ready.
So I don't know if
Watch their movement. Your count, team. Nice.
we're gonna have to cover fire.
Hey, sure you want to risk some shots? Exactly. Hey, guys!
Three, two, one, now!
Go.
Ah! Damn, we got him back, but the medic's still out. Yeah, but now we don't have the medic because he just died.
Are you Lincoln? Lincoln!
They're moving up.
Medic!
Yeah, anybody can revive a medic, but someone still has to run up there. Woo! Okay, put your dead rag away. Put your dead rag away. Damn it. Woo! Hey, someone revive him real quick. Drag him back to grab him.
Hit! Oh, you're kidding. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Oh, they're moving up to the bunker.
Cover me, cover me.
You do, oh, okay.
You hit? No, I think to the branch.
Oh.
Watch out, they're left. They're flanking. Move back, move back.
Oh my god, dude.
They're coming up on the right.
We need to start spreading out.
I'm spread out.
Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. We need to start spreading out.
Watch out. Straight ahead, straight
Yeah,
ahead.
I know. Hit. Yep. got life left?
Watch out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit! I'm out. That's doll 5. Or 3, whatever. I'm dead. Look at dead. I'm gonna move over here. Got any life left? Your pistol dropped. Are you ready? Alright. Tres, dos, uno. Oh, great, that's good. Are you in? Are you in? I can barely see either. I know. Someone got hit. Careful. Okay. Yeah, like I only have 1 life left.
I only got 1 left. Hit! They still guys across this. How many laps do you have left?
knew he was right there too. I called it. Can I enlist in the Tan Army? Could I be like a double agent? You'll be YouTube famous. We got a minigun on site. Yeah, you're trying to beep on. Oh crap. Hip contour. Leg. Yep. Welcome to the internet, my friend. Well, they shouldn't be that close, but yeah, that's where we should go. Yeah. No, we're not over here. That's not us. Yeah, we should start like jogging. Are they? Yep. Yeah, they're at that bunker and they're running across. my knee pads up. God, I need knee pad pants so bad.
I know.
But like, you have to order them from China, and
Yeah.
I think they're at that bunker that we were talking about.
He's looking through the little holes. Hey, come here. Sniper, come here. Hey, watch him. Make sure he doesn't move.
Alright.
Hey, come back over here. Hey, come back over there. Go back over there.
Alright.
He's behind, or come here. Look.
He's behind this
Behind
first
that little
bunker.
right here.
Yeah.
Like right in front of you. So come sit right here.
There's.
Right that bunker right there. Alright, fine. There's actually a bunker back there, so if you can get.
Yeah, but that's pretty far shot. But if you can hit him,
You can hit him, that's good.
sounds like he has got the gas gun.
No, it's to do with the AK.
Oh, that one crazy guy.
Yeah, with the lightsaber.
What do you call him? Like Psycho, I think.
I wonder if I could run up on him too. How far would I have to run up on him for him to pull out his pistol?
No, but also if you try to run up, then your right side would be exposed.
Oh, he's moving up on the right side.
Oh, shoot! Let's move up with him. Well, less than 20 feet. Huh?
That's why I didn't come any forward.
Dang it, it's not, dang it!
Nah.
It's not safe.
Oh, did you just in 4? Yeah. Oh, okay.
Well, what the fuck we do now?
Well, you can move up on the right, but
Yeah, just don't leave this. Just don't have very much range.
Is he down?
Is Christian?
No, him.
Oh, no.
no, he's not.
I don't know how to move up.
No, someone needs to go up with him because they're still at this first bunker.
Oh,
Yeah, I can hear it.
not answering.
I'm in the middle of war right now.
Do you think I could maybe move up?
No,
What?
there's a guy right there that's shooting.
Damn.
I'm gonna move back here.
Hey, can you crawl
I can.
to tag him? Or no, just run.
So they're in the bunker right there.
Yeah, no, you run to go tag him, and me and you are gonna cover fire. Just shoot at that bunker.
Y'all think y'all can do it?
Yeah, if you can run.
I think so. You want me to run out?
Ditch your rifle. Whoever's fastest.
I'm a medic.
Oh, yeah, duh.
Oh, it's here. Well, if he drags.
Are you going to run with your gun?
No. I'm gonna run and cut back in the woods.
Well, you want to shoot him if you just don't have any range.
But I gotta hold him for 5 seconds, right?
Yeah.
I need to bring him back with me.
Can he just, like, hold him and run?
No, you have to either drag him back to here. You can't revive him while moving.
Yeah, I know that.
So, no, they're just hitting the trees. So you either have to run to get him, or you gotta run to him.
They're in that bunker right
Yeah, well, I know exactly where they are.
there. Almost got it. He's just sitting there. Like he's
What happened to our right flank?
He's poking up out of the bunker.
Okay, if you're gonna run, tell us when you're running, then we'll.
He's got his head poking up out of the bunker.
Yeah, see, we gotta keep his head. The bunker right there.
Oh,
Yeah, it's a tiny one. What happened to our sniper? Is he still back there? everybody. Like,
I know it's not just
seriously.
us three on the team.
Like,
They probably went around that way.
yeah, but someone should have gone center. Oh, you see that white bunker through the trees? I think they're over there.
Are you hit?
Alright. I can make Velvet buy you something. You have to take
Here, let me see that real quick. Let's see here. How do you put this on semi?
It's,
You gotta spin it, right?
yeah. It should.
Okay.
I'll be accepting.
Hit. Damn. Oh, hit me in the thigh or calf.
Yeah.
I don't even know what to do. We're just like stuck behind this tree.
Well, we're stuck behind this tree and there's no one to help us.
I know.
We can try to run back and find another way around.
That's what I'm thinking.
I don't know. Here you go.
Alright, I'm gonna.
Box back. I don't even know where the rest of our team is. This is so freaking weird. I feel like I should take his gun with us. Are you gonna leave me here? What? Hey, are you still alive back here? Crap, dude. How? Yeah, can you hit that guy? Yeah, yeah. Yep. We have literally no idea where the rest of our team is. Well, we see the guy with the pistol ran up to him. His pistol was on safety. And so I think he was the only one with the pistol. And like our right flank's doing nothing for us. See, that guy's moving up. Where's our right flank? But this sniper hits him, which would be great, right? Oh my god. They're probably the guys that were on the fence. Dude, I don't even know. Yeah, where's our guys? Yeah, radio
Hey, Christian,
somewhere.
where are you at? Oh, wait, he's dead up there. He's dead
Seriously?
up there by the bunker.
Well, let's go over to him, because that's probably our last chance. What? What?
He's like spraying up.
guess let's just try to go right. No, well, we need to have someone here with the sniper. Huh? What ammo? Twos? Oh wait, you know what? You need green gas too? Alright. Oh great, my speed loader's empty. I'm gonna take the ammo from actually my box mag. No, I'll take it from my flush mag. There we go, now I can open it. Yeah. This is the weirdest battle I've had. What? Now they're fighting over there. What? Jeez, what the frick? I don't know. Yeah, really. I'll try to save him. Hey, tell me if they move up. Why would you say that? Like, I revived him. Hey, did you go right? Did you go right? You're probably gonna have to go far right. Oh my god. Started. Yeah, it's not very nice. The cow got molested. This is the most boringest war. What the hell? Yeah, our medic's kind of fucked. What are you doing up there? That's my speed loader. Yeah. Do you only have one mag? Oh. I'm not over here. Nigga too slow. I guess I'll have to give it back to you when you need more. Dude, that dog is getting humped so hard. Thousand, damn. I don't know if it's 1,000. Cause that's like 10 football fields. I'm gonna go right. I don't even know. God damn. Stop peeking your goddamn balls out. left side's fucked. We gotta get some guys over there.
Oh, come on.
Where is everybody else?
All over here and in the middle here.
Yeah, we gotta go. Are you medic?
I'm not medic. I've got, my brother is over there.
Is it the only medic over here?
I think there's a couple more.
Yeah, because there is no left for us. We don't have a...
We're gonna go over there right now.
Yeah, we're gonna try to...
Fuck up there, Dave. Make it slower at least.
Yeah, because we had guys over there and we tried to run up on the bunker, but that did not work. Over here. We were over here. One guy was at a tree, like that bunker over here somewhere. And then one guy was at a big tree. I don't know where they went though. Yeah, see there's one of our dead guys in the, oh yeah, see right there in that tree bunker laying down? That's our guy.
That's our guy?
That's our guy. See, those are all of our dead guys right there. Yeah, we need to go help him. Hey! Green! Green! Green!
Stay behind here. I got some wings on my gun, so.
Yeah, me too. Oh, crap. Why don't we stay here? Wait, I heard a voice from the left.
Yeah.
So if they come across, we'll just wipe them out. No, there they go. They're starting to shoot him. He's not a medic, so we can't revive him. Game?
We can drag him away. But we can't medic him. There are guys over there. I hear him talking.
Oh, he's not dead?
What?
What?
Is he dead or not?
Oh, they're dead.
No, they're coming back in.
Oh my god, he's tagging him back in. Holy shit, dude. Let's go, let's go, let's go. He's tagging him back in. Hey, get your dead rag off your head! Get the dead rag off your head! Get the dead rag off your head! Good! Well, God help. Oh, I saw it. Make sure your pistol's on safety.
Hey, keep firing. I do end it twice.
Brrr. Oh, safety, yeah.
Hey, we only have 2 minutes. You gotta get that saw up and ready. Ready?
Yeah. Not today. No, he jumped over the wire. Oh, it didn't go off.
Wait a minute. Did you put front towards enemy?
It didn't go off.
Oh, so you did hit the wire, just didn't go.
It broke the wire.
Come on!
I was waiting, I was like, come on. I wanted to be like, boom!
I wanted to see somebody make it in here, and that didn't go off.
We won.
I've never seen it go off.
Hey, Waylon. You're old. You want the country boy? I would, like, there's three of them. I'll take it for you. And clear 1 minute. When I do, okay. You'll get to see it go off.
Was it?
Blue barrels. I know everybody.
I thought it was a flag.
That's terrible.
No, it broke the wire. I know.
You would have actually won if that went off.
That would have been epic.
Guys, look at this motherfucker right here. Are they suppressed? Oh, never mind.
I got so many motherfuckers. Oh my god, I'm fucking dying.
Don't you have a pistol and an MP7? Dude, there's no way you're gonna be able to make it there. Oh my god. Tactical battery change.
Like all of them right there. I swear they all have
Yeah, they can tap them back in with one tap though. Nah. Shut up. I'm not even gonna run that anymore.
Oh my god.
There just goes. Oh damn, dude.
Oh shit.
Bye bye, nigga.
Two-story or
Yep. Two-story. Shoot, I'm gonna take a selfie as well.
Combat selfie.
No, ready guys? Ready?
Hashtag YOLO.
Ready guys? No, everybody ready? Hold on, I gotta back up. Best selfie ever! Guys, I got the perfect shot right here. Guys, bro, Axel, look at that ass selfie. You should have held the knives like this. Yeah, one of them's mine.
Yeah, take 3 knives.
Okay. They'll just like start pointing them outwards on your chest. I'm back. Yeah.
Because they got their medics over there. Just happen to find.
Well, everybody's a medic over there. And they just one tap them. Okay.
Open fire!
That hits, my brethren.
Dude, that thing fucking beats.
Right.
Just like.
Too bad I don't have a real minigun.
Hey, any of you guys got this?
Nope.
I got a pistol. That's all I've got.
Dude, I'm suppressing him right now so you could run. Dude, look at that guy. I saw the window! They're not poking their heads out anymore. Oh, there it goes.
Class, was that you?
Someone run up there. You can do it? 3, 2, 1, go! Game! Woo! Overkill? Yeah! You are... Shoot.
No, not that.
Full auto or what? It's like 200, like maybe 220.
Can we do a firing squad with this one?
Yeah.
Oh, fire!
I will use Moose as the body shield. She throws shit. Dude, I was a body shield for Wavell earlier.
I did not! It's on camera! I did not! That is 22! This is not 20, that is 22. Okay, how many steps, Dagger? 4? Alright, Psycho, kneel down right there. I am actually going. Kneel down right there. I actually kneel right there. Kneel down. 1, 2, 3. See, footsteps don't really count, but I don't know. They do for this test. I actually know my footsteps. It's an approximate test. 11, 12, 13, you got wrong. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You're 1 foot short, sir. Half! I call half on that. I call half.
Shooting you were. What you were like 11? Maybe a 12? Oh, that's right. It's at an incline, which means it's actually longer. I have bigger feet. My measurement would be more accurate. You know what? You're on on the right triangle, that's the longest. The hypotenuse? Yeah, the hypotenuse is the longest. There's a word I never wanted to hear again.
Yeah.
I just tried to do algebra earlier this week, and I already have forgotten how to do it.
When the fuck has anyone ever used algebra?
I was trying to help him.
Hey, it's Cloud. It's Cloud. Come on now. It's Cloud.
I was in high school the other day. Come on, guys. They called me back. I missed the day. That's all where your preferred women at? Okay. I get it.
And I'm afraid of like ripping it out of the So I honestly I used 2. I think I'm gonna go to is instead of a nerd, go to a 90.
I haven't had sex in 18 years. That sounds like and then I thought Vegas can help with this. I've been to Vegas in a video game. It wasn't fun. But you can't make Vegas fun in a video game.